Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Ishan Arora Experience. This is big episode number 36. अभी देखो यार मैं बीमार पड़ गया था जून जुलाई was fucking hectic. uh, I fell sick. I was sick. Then college का काम आ गया. Life happened to me. So I've been MIA. I missed recording podcast. बहुत बहुत मेरे को something about being just able to talk to yourself continuously is something very therapeutic in my opinion. Clearly doesn't show that I've lost it. पर नहीं भाई, लाइफ थोड़ी हेक्टिक हो गई थी. मैंने ये चीज रियलाइज की है once I fall sick कि you just start appreciating everything else so much more. मेरे को आके इधर आई थिंक 1 महीना हुआ रहेगा, 10 दिन हुए रहेंगे. एंड मेरे और मेरे दूसरे लाइक वी 4 रूममेट्स इन वन रूम. सो दो हमने से दोनों को सर्दी हो गई थी, बुखार हो गया था. एंड इट वाज बैड. लाइक इट गॉट टू द पॉइंट वेयर इट्स लाइक आपको सर्दी की वजह से नींद नहीं आ रही है. एंड देन बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ स्लीप यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ हेडेक. It was that kind of stuff. So that happened, but it's okay. Then I had my midterms. पढ़ना पड़ा. फिर assignments हो गए. My third semester is coming to an end. So last 2-3 weeks have been pretty hectic, but it's done. It's over now, God willing. I just have my exam. So there is more time for podcasting. But my content though I was putting out God knows how many shorts on my YouTube channel. So if you've not subscribed to it, subscribe कर लो. वहाँ पे I'm pretty active. But podcasting was something that थोड़ा took a back seat, which I've noticed this thing about me. भाई मेरे को पता नहीं है कि like अगर अच्छा मोमेंटम चालू है ना कोई भी चीज का तो इट विल कीप ऑन गोइंग. उसमें गलती से ब्रेक आ गया ना, इट टेक्स सो मच एफर्ट टू गेट बैक टू वेयर आई वाज. लाइक मेरे को याद है व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई आई मस्ट हैव अपलोडेड लाइक 2 महीने में 4 एपिसोड्स, 4-5 एपिसोड्स ऐसे कुछ तो. या इवन मार्च में वंस आई गेट अ कंसिस्टेंट रिदम गोइंग ना, देन इट इज गुड टू कंटिन्यू दैट. बट एक बार उसके अंदर फॉर वट एवर रीजन रुकावट आ जाती है ना, then it's just fucked. Then I'm just like this in perpetual fucking uh just middle of nowhere, no man's land when it comes to podcasting. And मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. I really like podcasting. I really like doing this thing. मतलब I was doing it before it was cool, and I'll do it even after it's not cool. Like I don't give a shit if no one's watching me. I'm doing it for myself. So it's nice to get back to doing this. Other than that, life is lifing currently for me. Everything is just happening all at once. I'm on a cut. If you guys can't make out from my fucking physique, uh, trying my best to reduce body fat and not थोड़ा बहुत जो मसल है मेरे पास. Other than that, तो मैं गणेश चतुर्थी के लिए घर गया था. एंड आई हैव टू से दिस, बहुत क्लीशे साउंड करेगा. आपको घर का खाना अप्रिशिएट तभी ही होने लगेगा वंस यू स्टार्ट स्टेइंग अवे. तो रीजन वाई पीपल से कि घर का खाना, घर के खाने की याद आती है, घर का खाना ऐसा है, घर का खाना वैसा है. अगर आप थोड़े टाइम के लिए भी बाहर रहते हो, मैं ज्यादा दूर नहीं रहा हूँ अपने घर से. आई एम लिटरली इन पुणे. सो इट्स नॉट इवन लाइक आई एम प्रीटी फार अवे फ्रॉम मुंबई. बट once you don't get regular home cooked food ना, आपको you start missing it. And it's the simple stuff. It doesn't even have to be anything fancy. आपका घर का खाना would be the only thing you will crave for. And I am pretty sure whoever's watching this who's not in India, who's staying abroad, will relate to what I have to say. कि फक घर का खाना खाने को मिल रहा है भाई. मेरे को घर का खाना चाहिए. मेरे को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को मैकडोनल्ड्स नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को पिज्जा हट नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को I don't want fucking sushi. I want घर का खाना, दाल चावल. So I went home for Ganpati. I've realized this thing. Like Ganpati in Mumbai is a vibe. Like the whole city comes alive. Like there is this overbearing feeling of just happiness. Everyone is just in a very positive mood, and it also could be because I wasn't in Mumbai and I was coming into Mumbai from Pune. So, but social media pe the whole gist of it is just everyone is so happy during Ganesh Chaturthi. I have not seen Mumbai like this. Like Diwali के time पे होता है, but it's just different. There is something different about people during Ganesh Chaturthi. It's like back home during Ganpati. Like I've gone to Mumbai during Diwali, but there's this just overall feeling of like just people being happy. So I don't know if it is because Ganpati holds a special place and like Mumbai people are just a little too happy when it comes to Ganesh Chaturthi. पता नहीं यार दिवाली के टाइम पे तो ऐसे नहीं लगता है मेरे को. It also could be because when you're unemployed, festival seasons seem more special. But Ganesh Chaturthi also, like I cannot tell you how much food I have eaten when I went back to Mumbai. So that is what is happening. I recently had the fortune of watching Materialist, which has Dakota Johnson, Pedro Pascal, and Chris Evans. I've bhai Tatti movie hai bhai. Like all jokes aside, like I is fucking trash. Dakota Johnson is vanilla. Chris Evans is broke. Pedro Pascal is a multi-millionaire who's emasculated. I don't understand this movie dynamic. Why will someone call this? I've not seen any romantic movie, if I'm being honest. But I don't understand. I didn't understand this movie. Like Dakota Johnson wants to be with someone who's very rich, who she's a very career oriented woman who wants to earn money. Then she rejects Pedro Pascal because she doesn't love her. Pedro Pascal is a 6 feet multi-millionaire banker who is looking for Dakota Johnson ka validation, and she's I don't even know. Chris Evans is a struggling actor who's perpetually cuckolded by Dakota Johnson. I don't understand what is this going on in this movie. I didn't I was मेरे को नहीं समझा. Like I had to choose between this movie and F1 when both of them came out. भाई भगवान की बुद्धि से मैंने F1 चूज किया था because if I would have watched this movie in theaters I would have lost it. अबे कुछ भी चालू है भाई कुछ भी. Dakota Johnson, respectfully, she's very beautiful, but what is that character? She's so fucking vanilla and she contradicts herself. And movie में ना उन्होंने एक चीज के बारे में बात किया कि you can extend your height. I wouldn't know because I'm 6 feet tall and height has never been an issue for me. But if you're like short, they break your bones and then they extend your bones. They do some shit like that. They make you wear a brace. So Pedro Pascal has got that done to himself. अरे पर किया तो किया है ठीक है, it's fine. You are a multi-millionaire banker. He's telling Dakota Johnson, oh, will you not, you don't want to be with me because of this. Oh, how much it doesn't matter, it's really affecting me and all that stuff. I'm like, bro, what is this man seeking validation from a woman? I didn't understand the movie. बहुत confusing था. I had to stop it last 30 minutes. I was like, I can't watch this. I cannot, bro. I this is too much for me. I would recommend anyone watch F1. I'm not even an F1 fan, but that movie was amazing, especially if you watch it in theaters. I didn't even watch it like वो IMAX 4D fucking 6D a normal viewing experience किया था. I'm not even an F1 fan, but that movie, the soundtrack of that movie, the way the movie is shot, and मतलब I'm pretty sure technical details रहेंगी जो नहीं पता रहेगा मेरे को, but it was a fun watch. Like I don't mind watching it again. Brad Pitt's character was nice. Uh, the other guy who plays the aspiring driver, that was also nice. It's a fun watch. This was absolutely, I don't know what the fuck is this going on. So that is more or less where my life has come to. Weekly episodes because I will get myself together and put out weekly episodes for my 11, 12 viewers. Don't worry, I got you guys. Other than that, next episode or the future episode, it depends on how long I can edit that video, is going to be with my 4 roommates. I have to censor a lot of that because I want all of us to not have any cases. So that will be next. If that's not next, that will be uploaded sometime in the future. So look out for that. Other than that, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. I don't think there's a UFC happening this week, but I think there is one happening. I think there is one happening this week. Uh, Let me see if I make a predictions video to that. Other than that, that has been the Shanora experience. I will see you guys with another episode very soon. Until then, just I don't know, man. Don't fall sick. Apparently, everyone is again falling sick in Pune. I don't know what is going on. I will see you guys in a later episode. Bye.